Here's a fun project. Collect all the particles of pastel dust off your easel tray in the small broken bits and make your own pastel. Grab a mortar and pestle and start grinding it down to a fairly smooth, fine consistency. My colors were a bit dark, so I decided to add a white pastel to it and broke that down some more. Your colors could be way different than mine, so add whatever you want until you get the color you like. This looks a bit dark, but it's actually a lighter gray than what you see. As a side note, you may want to wear gloves for this. I use bare hands, and as you can see, it's very messy. Once you have the consistency you want, it's time to add a binder, so you can actually form the pastel into a wedge or a sausage, whatever shape you want. I started by adding water gradually, a drop at a time. You want to get it just smooth enough until you have a dough-like or putty consistency. You want to add just enough water until it starts sticking to itself rather than your fingers. I'm adding just a little bit of water at this point. Be careful not to make it too wet or it won't form well. Here comes the fun part. Dump everything onto a paper towel and form it into a sausage shape as best you can. I started rolling the paper towel over it to try to shape it better. Roll it really tight and squeeze it so it even gets tighter. Push it in on the ends and roll it again until you get the shape you desire. You want it to be as tight as possible. Roll it some more and some more. I just kept going until it looked right. And voila, there it is. Your own pastel. Now it's wet at this point, so you want to let it dry overnight before you use it. I was very anxious to test this pastel out the following morning, and it works just as well as my other pastels. There were a few specks of color that were unexpected because I didn't grind down the particles well enough, but I'm still happy with the result. Works just as well, the color's great, and I've used it in a number of paintings since. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll be making more soon. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks a lot. Bye.